Hello, what's going on YouTube? This is Director Kim. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited. Today I'm about to show you these 3 different tips that you can never find online. I mean, no one going to tell you about these things unless you just paid a masterclass or any payments course. So today you're gonna have for free. I'm gonna show you exactly what make professional colorists their video more pleasing and super colorful. Pay more attention. First is a film look emulations. Some people using the Hansa, some people they just use Loot, and some people they use third-party plugins. There's a lot of third-party plugins in there. You can use that to emulate your video from digital to, film. I hope you got what I'm talking about. But today I'm going to show you only Loot, which is from DaVinci Resolve itself, Kodak 2383. You may just choose any Loot that you want, but I prefer Kodak 2383 D15.5 or D60 sometimes. Some colorists, they apply Lutes after CST and a conversion to cinema film. But no, I kinda don't like that job. I only apply film Lutes without CST and doing manually exposing. A reason why most of people they don't like film Lute from DaVinci, it's come up of a lot of problem. This is because Lute is just made in different camera settings, some exposure and white balance. So what you have to do is just to fixing the problem and then apply your grade. Alright, a second tip is a saturations. A pro colorist, they don't increase saturation from Saturn or color boosting or whatever saturation tool that you understand. Instead of that, they're using color space, which gives you pleasing saturation or subtractive saturation. How to find it? It's very simple. Go to your empty node, rename it to saturation, then right click, go to your color space, choose HSV. After that, turn down into gamma, enable the first and 30 channel, spare the second one. Then go to your primary, increase gain. Instead of adding highlights, it's balance your exposure and level up your saturation. Very pleasing. Now let's see a normal saturations and a HSV saturation, how it they look. See, a big and huge different. Now and last, it's split on. I remember I told you guys about this before, but today I'm gonna show you what you never seen before. Okay, in a split on, most we prefer to use custom curves, also color wheels. But what if you have something art, something that you will never get any complicated or just paying more attention in it, and very simple and gentle. DCTR. This is DaVinci plugins, which introduces tools by loading up some code. So now I have this split on code, which is allow you to do a same thing like a custom curve. It's not that free. You can just go to DaVinci Resolve and get it. No, you have to buy it. Link on my description, check on my inbox, and then I show you how to get that. As I told you, it's like a custom curve. So now we're gonna play with the split-ons, play with the red and blue and green, whatever. Alright, now you understand how to use these 3 tips. Okay, let's just jump on next tutorial. On next part, which is gonna be part 2, I'm going to show you how to grade through these tips. Just don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, click the bell button. I'm going to send a next part very sooner. But once, I want you to understand what I've done in here. Practice more, learn more. That's how you're going to gain stuff.